Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. May peace be upon you all, and blessings of Allah, the principal, the teachers, and my beloved friends. Praise to be Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for His mercy and grace. We are able to gather here in good health. Before I start my speech, I would like to introduce myself first. My full name is Rehana AINUN Latifah, but usually called by Hun for short. I am currently attending junior high school. To be more specific, I am a 7th grader. I came from the city of BOGOR. And I would like to deliver you my speech about diversity, a strength rooted in unwavering devotion. Dear friends, let's look around us. Some have tan skin, some have lighter skin, some have straight hair, but some have curly hair. Some of us are Javanese, Sundanese, Batak, Papuan, and so many more. We are all different, but that's a beautiful thing, isn't it? Imagine if all the flowers in a garden were only one color. For example, red. The garden will certainly look monotonous and boring to the eye. But if there were different flowers, if there were red, yellow, purple, and white flowers, the garden will look much more beautiful and vibrant. Just like those flowers, we are all different flowers in the garden of Indonesia. Differences in ethnicity, religion, race, and cultural are not a reason for us to become hostile or even distance ourselves from another. In fact, it is these differences that make our nation rich and strong. Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, or unity in diversity, different but still one. This motto is not only written in our national symbol, the Garuda Pancasila, but also a spirit that we must install in our hearts. Let's use our differences as a reason to learn from each other, to understand each other, to respect one another. If a friend has a different opinion, do not immediately become hostile. Try to listen and understand the reason for it. If a friend has a different habit, do not ridicule them. Try to understand that each region has its own culture. Often, these differences that we have can become a source of problems if we don't handle them wisely. Perhaps we've heard tons about regional accents or arguments over our favorite football teams. Small things like these can become the seeds of a division if we let them happen. In fact, differences are like spices in a dish. One spice alone is plain, but when combined with other spices, the flavor will become delicious and rich. Our differences are the same. When we unite, we will become a strong and a resilient nation. Remember, we are all children of Indonesia. We all have the same dream, to see Indonesia's progress, peace, and prosperity. And that dream can only come true if we unite as one. Do not let others divide us. Don't let small things divide us. Let's maintain unity, starting with the most simplest of things that we can do. Help each other at school. Do not discriminate against each other, and maintain harmony wherever we are. That concludes my speech. May we all become the next generation of the nation that upholds unity. Also, don't forget, because this is the month of August, also known as the month where Indonesia's Independence Day is. Don't forget, Merdeka. Thank you for your attention, and thank you for giving your time to listen to me. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.